just let Ash do his thing. I'll just explain something about this handheld controller first. So we know that B does the flush, D does the milk clean. The A button is irrelevant on this machine because it's for machines that have card payment systems on them. It then activates a free drink. That's irrelevant on this machine. The C button takes you into the machine programming. So this is where you go to access like your weekly cleans, your deep clean. So you press C to access, and then when you're in the programming, this controller becomes an up, a down, a cancel, and an enter or an OK. So if we press C to access the programming, it says test machine. So I'm going to press D to confirm that I want to test the machine. I'm then going to use these arrows up and down, A and B, as an up and down to scroll through my options. And what we're looking for is acid clean, which is your weekly cleaning. So as we scroll, it's a long way through, but there it is, acid clean. And I'm not going to press it now because it activates the deep clean, which takes 20 minutes. But you set up for the clean exactly the same as your fresh milk clean. You take your bottle of acid cleaner, you put 20 ml in the large container.
First put
exactly that.
Here because the milk is going to come
because
out.
it purges. So you would press D, it will then say insert container. You place your pipe in the small container, press D, change them, and then go through the process. So it's exactly the same, but it takes 20 minutes.
And after that done, it's going to tell you press D.
Exactly the same.
Wipe the tube.
And replace it in the milk system.
Place it back into the container, and that's it.
Yeah. Do you want to go through that process of just accessing that now, so you feel comfortable with it while I'm here?
Yeah, it's good.
So if you want to take that and you press C to start with.
What I'm gonna do after you finish with that, I simply gonna mark with a tape.
Down, or even the Sharpie would do it. Yeah.
I just don't want to, just because it's on a trial.
Doesn't matter. If you want to do it, it's fine.
Yeah,
whatever you
just
want.
write it down.
Yeah.
So when they work, they know exactly what to use it.
Do you want to go for that then?